In the one spring morning today, a bird fly happy happy on the flowers, beautiful flowers grow in the fence. But, little daisy grow out of fence in the grass, all beautiful flowers are so wonderful. And they proud on his beauty, they think all birds and butterflies come to them. Because they are unique in his charming smile and style. Next morning the bird came again near the flowers, but bird not sit on beautiful flowers. Bird goes to little daisy flower. All proud flowers become selfish and sad. Why bird select the little daisy flower leaving them for visit? Now little daisy and bird become sweet and deep friends. They wait each other in the morning. When they meet, daisy give the sweet smile for friend and bird give the fresh air with his little wings. At last Curel morning came one day. This morning the bird did not come to little daisy. Little daisy is so feel sad and become uncomfortable. After some time, 4 boys come near to daisy. They had a knife in their hands, they cut the soil in the circle around the daisy. And took up the daisy with soil. They took the daisy and put the daisy in an iron cage where daisy friend is Aristad already in the cage. Daisy become very sad to see this scene. All the smiles, all the fresh, sweet breath in blue sky come to end. Now their 2 friends are like prisoners, Kitey in the cage. Daisy thinks that what he helped the friend bird. But he could not do anything. So he tried to give more frankness kuchh for his friend. Boys leave the bird in the cage without any water and food. Hopeless daisy was seeing his friend go to near and near towards death. At last bird has died. When boys return at evening the bird had died. They are weeping and sad on their mistake, but now time is pass. Time no come return, the things remain the same but happy moments never stay. The boys cover the dead body of bird in red cloth and dug a hole and put the mud on it. Daisy with soil put on the grave of bird. Daisy also now near to dry, so daisy put his petals on the grave of bird friend and die. Jis ke pass feeling thiwo kucch kr na saka. Jin ke pass kucch karne ki taaqat ti. Wo hammare ghaam sa unjaan hi ra. In the